Immediately we heard that we was arrested, I was like, okay, let's wait. They will tell us why they are arresting. Let's wait. We shouldn't jump on things. You know, we should just wait and see what's going on. Maybe they will say the reason. We are the one that want that country to be good, right? Okay, so we have to do things right. We will not rush. We wait. Arrest is no big deal. But there is this big deal, the way it was done, without, up till now, no reason. Then the question is, EFCC that is being accused of this arrest, are they the one in charge of arrest or police? That's another question that we are asking. Why so it can stay with them? We are talking about having a good country, right? For those of you that are applauding the arrest, because I see people dancing and say, God don't catch him. God don't catch him. The day God will catch you too in that country. Now here we go day. We are talking about having a good country. All of you see things being done the wrong way. Just because you don't like the person. It is okay not to like somebody. It is okay not to align with what somebody is doing. It is okay if you feel that person is this or is that. What we are talking about here is the way he was arrested. Is it the right way to arrest somebody? Number one, did they send any invite to him to come and VDM did not go? Let them provide that evidence. Was there any time they sent invites? The world is watching what Nigerian government is doing. EFCC, the world is watching you guys. What you are doing in that country. The world is watching. We have people who are corrupt in that country. We have people who are swindling people in that country of their hard-earned money. They are still walking around freely. We have the corrupt politicians. Yaya Bello is still there walking around freely. Many of them. Up till now, EFCC is yet to say the reason why VDM was arrested on Friday. GTB released a footage trying to excuse themselves that he was not arrested in their premises. VDM went inside that premises with 2 other people, making 3 of them, right? When we saw him coming out, he came out angrily for a reason. He was the only one. I still keep saying we need the footage of when he was arrested, how he was arrested. If he was arrested under normal circumstances, the video will be out by now. Could it be he was arrested in a way where people were scared for their lives and they could not record? VDM is a known face. Is a well-known face whereby anybody see him, they will take their camera. Was it that the manner at which he was arrested was in a commando way and nobody could have that audacity to take their camera to record? Unfortunately, we are yet to see that camera. Honestly, I mean that video. I'm looking for that footage of when it was taken into their car and everything. I'm really looking out for it. Now, that said, this same VDM rescued Nigerian government of recent when he was calling Abike Dabiri about those children that were stuck in a place outside Nigeria. He was calling the attention of NAPTIP and Abike Dabiri. I remember he donated 20 million. And people were right when they say, why is he giving Nigerian government money? A government that is supposed to do what they are doing, they are supposed to do, they are not doing it. He is now donating. Why I refused to speak on that issue was because, Bombay person, good morning. In a normal society, people donate to assist government. So I didn't see any big deal to it. But he saved the face. He is talking about what is the corruption, the nonsense going on in that country that you people arrested him for. You are yet to tell us. You are yet to tell us his offense. Number 2, is arrest supposed to be from police or EFCC and DSS? I thought before you can use those people to arrest somebody, that person must have committed a financial crime. Did VDM commit financial crime? EFCC, we are asking you. This is Monday. We are expecting by Monday there will be a press release from you for arresting him, telling us the reason why you arrested him. You are here to tell us. You are here to tell us what he did. Instead of that, you say very dark man was arrested. You said he was arrested based on over multiple petitions, and he was going to be charged soon. Abi, is it EFCC, people petition, or police? I'm not getting it, John Tori alone. Abi, am I the one that needs to go back to school? Somebody said that is what brings me to this question. There was a man that had a purse, a purple light color wear, that was inside the bank and outside the bank. Who is that man? GT Bank should say something. Petition was written to EFCC as per se VDM steal people money or what? The people they are writing you petition for, they are yet to be arrested. Oh. That estate man is still walking around freely. Oh, is now in America, opening his mouth despite what he did. Kayode Joshua swindled many people of 2 billion. Over 2 billion is walking around freely. There are many of them. Oh, I can start mentioning their name. That people lost their hard-earned money to in that country. They are walking around freely. Who are the people? What is the offense of VDM for them to petition you? Kino sokwe VDM ushe. What did he do? Did he swindle them? Did he collect their money? Did he steal their money? You say many people. You signal alone. You are not transparent in all of this, your talk. All Nigerians are not dummies. Your general overseer, one of your general overseer's son, that was accused of collecting money for a country attached to this thing. Those petitions are supposed to be made public. Why is it that anything done in that country is always done in secrecy? You will just carry people and people should just keep quiet. And for those of you clapping for EFCC, when it will come to your table, they will just arrest your family member without reason, just because they feel they have power. Now, this social media will go there. Emma Patewo fun won because you hate VDM. This is not about VDM. This is about the law being applied the right way. Forget whether you like VDM or you hate him. It's about the law being done the right way. By now, why has EFCC not made public what the VDM did? The people who petitioned. And I want to remind us of something. So you said we arrested him to respond to a series of allegations raised against him by some petitioners. You say, according to your spokesperson that spoke, one of the reasons was he was taken into custody following complaints from several petitioners on the allegation of cyber stalking. When the cyber stalking became the job of EFCC, when did the job of cyber stalking, cyber whatever becomes the job of EFCC? And if Nigeria is a good country, when does cyber stalking, without it being established in the court of law, that it truly cyber stalk or cyber bully or whatever, becomes something you will just lock people in without taking them to due process of going to court? Let them prove he actually cyber stalk, he actually cyber bully, he actually cyber harass before locking him up. Friday, and up till now you are yet to tell us valid reason. All this your reasons is not tenable. These reasons are that he is a flight risk. Did you at a point invited VDM and he did not go? Did you at a point ask him to come and he left the country? You have to prove that. Why you lock people up is because without going to court is if they are flight risk or they are dangerous to the society, or they committed an offense of probably murder, homicide, and all those kind of a thing, armed robbery. That is when you lock people up. Why are you locking somebody up over cyber stalking, over cyber whatever, over petition? A petition that has not been established here by the court of law. And some people are jubilating up and down. Jubilating that somebody was arrested unlawfully, locked up unlawfully. Now, somebody asked when they were asking you if the case was connected to Guaranteed Trust Bank. Oyewale said the petitioners were different from individuals and the agency owed them a duty of protection. Excuse me? You owe them the duty of protection. What about the rights of VDM? VDM does not have his own rights as a bona fide citizen of Nigeria. You are protecting some people who came to petition him. Now, this brings me back to what Seun said. Okay. You are protecting them. They are more superior. In a country, we are all citizens. So one person is superior, one person is more powerful. You have to protect those ones against the other. EFCC, clap for yourself. You have shot yourself in the leg by letting the world know that some people are more superior than the other. Now, this is what Seun said. Are we to believe what Seun said here?
Even this GT Bank, where everybody they make noise about. I mean, listen. I don't know why, but see, when me I tell them that something say they happen for this country, and they holler, they shout, see, ain't nobody takes it serious. VDM lawyer is my lawyer. We follow GTB, the drag case. Not only GTB, all the banks in Nigeria. There's no bank in Nigeria that is a good bank. There's no bank. When that my issue happened, my DM was full of people's horror stories. My sister, Kuti, my sister just called me last week. Say her small money where she keep inside her GT account, it disappeared. She called me again, say to want add another journalist, saying gets one money for the GT bank, all the money disappear. Now they say they withdraw money, your money go just disappear inside that bank. So that's a story for another day. The banking institutions, but this thing will happen to VDM. So how is it possible to happen? Waiting they happen, waiting they really. Now I want to tell you people about the church government of Nigeria. As federal government, they run our country. Now so all these big pastors too, they run Nigeria. You see, for all this their church, all their members now they run Nigeria. That's why Nigeria can never be good. Go to any civil service, any government office. Now so they gang themselves like cults. The way cults is they gang themselves up inside office. Now so all these church members, they own different government parastatals. We say that from certain church, once one person from that church don't be oga for there, and so you go load everybody from the church. Now don't say outside people, outside people they do this stuff. Outside, nobody they do this thing reach churches. So as soon as one day boycott GT Bank, that is only one part of the thing we give this thing power. Make them not pay tithe this Sunday. And I know if I pay tithe this weekend, now they go take lock VDM on Monday. And now they hear me, if I pay tithe this weekend, now that tithe they won't take lock VDM on Monday. Now all my offering, when they go donate, all the rate tithe and offering. That's what they are using it for. Because we don't understand this country. So this situation now is that men of God, so-called men or people of God, not only men, people, the people of God are the ones fighting VDM for speaking the truth. Yes, bank must put mouth because bank is a thief business. Everybody knows how Nigerian bank na thief. Who get money inside bank reach churches? Who get money inside bank reach churches? Now they don't call the bank, say me the whole VDM there. So they won't arrest her. So maybe that's why they even go to take him mama money to loan him to the bank. They have planned everything. Now the people of God, it is the people of God that have done this to somebody that is fighting for poor people, because he's asking them to return money that they stole. Because he's asking them to return money that they stole. I called Deji. That's why I never talk about the matter. I said, who arrest them? Waiting gongo be the issue. Or can I say GT Bank? No, if you say that they won't arrest them on top of say they thief money, they no bond them well. So they must be underlining. And he also post video. I see one video where he post about the Shea Tinubu, even though those one no press any button. All their boy won't make them think say yes, that they do work, that they work, make they say that they work. They say go put their own mouths. So we as Nigerian people need to understand, say VDM, this matter, it pass as we see them. If we no fight for all these kind of things to stop, for people to be using our institutions as their persona, it is crazy. At the time that what did happen be that simple. This is what is happening to VDM right now. And nobody is going to call out the pastors that run that church, the general overseers that run the church. Nobody will call them out. Nobody will say that anything bad is happening from there. Our institutions are failing us. So me, I never even really follow in talk before on the matter. Now yesterday, when did they call her DG? Now yesterday they briefed me on the matter. Because left to me, to say he has asked me in the first place. That's why I tell him every time. On herself, now in the year word. Forget fighting for all these big people. Any big man will come meet you saying get problem. Tell me go solve a problem by yourself. You are the big man. Concentrate on helping the poor. Help the powerless. Don't help all these people say when their hand they clean their hand together, everything they clean. Nobody they hear. Now when small state don't come as we affect only them. Yes, let's face these institutions. If we hear see any of our institutions they do anything, call them out. Forget all these rich people, all these, forget them. Because at the end of the day, most people just want to see people locked up. We are suffering. I look my DM, I know if you talk, people don't shout. What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? What haven't we said? When we call you people to actually do, it is the effort. You see, that's why I don't believe in charity. You know, because I have some money. I have some money. And people ask me for money all the time. They ask me for money all the time. And for somebody like me, we get some change. That's the easiest thing I can actually do. It give you some money. You know? The amount of times I give you shall determines if I care about you. Right? But most people that give to charity, it's not as if they are giving it every week or every day or every month. Once they don't give one, it's okay. They don't forget the matter. We need your participation. Nigerians, we must participate in this country. We must participate in this country. And many things will happen to us for this country. Small things like this, now go stop her. Small things now go stop her. When this GT Bank thing happened to me, I swear, which I won't come my money for GT Bank. I say I go come my money, but I come look and say, if I come on with Nigerian bank, I look say the best thing to do is to fight them and collect the money that they have stolen back. Because any of the banks, they are all the same. So I start class action suits. Nigerians are not supporting my suit. We need plenty of people to complain legally against these people. We need to face these banks in the courts. If you take your money for one bank, put it that other, they are doing it there too. My DM was full. Whether that UBA, whether that Zenith Bank, whether they are all the same. The only way to fight them is to take our money back from them. Now this second one now, as VDM, you know, say when I go carrying in a matter, when I count in a matter, give VDM. Anywhere we una do an account in a matter. You know. Now when me I dey respect the boy with that. He go carry himself, he go come up for a house. When I Jaws, so he go go inside bush for Jaws. He go inside bush for Zaria. He go for bush for Ilorin. He go for Benin. He go for, you know, he go. He remind me of me say when I create MOP. When I remember back in the day, me say I go wear my shoe, wear my cloth. I go Lokoja. I go Anambra. I go up and down Nigeria. They try to bring people to the consciousness of my political movement. So this one now, what they happen? Not be soon I go sit down for this thing. Because it's either they carry him to court on Monday, or they put him in their cells. Wherever he is, right there when I love him. Millions of you people watching, following, show up. Trust me. If you not show up one time, this will not be saying, this is not a protest. This is not a protest. This is called solidarity. See, now we they defeat many of our people be that. And at the name where they give Nigerians, be that, now the name where they call them be that, they say that they are ungrateful. That's what they tell me every day. That's what that bastard Samuel Ekpa, which they call now, where they don't hold on now. When he said they come back to where they come, she be saying my papa die like chicken. He's coming to Nigeria. Let's see how do we end him in Nigeria when he gets here. Before I can determine which animal that they end like that. You don't understand? See my grandma, my papa, they die like chicken. See Nigerians, they no grateful. See, no matter what the person do for now, when something bad happen to now for inside the house, now go they do This month, even they laugh the person. This is your chance to prove them wrong. Show VDM solidarity. Yes. For matters when no reach this one, but don't gather go there, go they do rubbish. If na pop idol now, Nigerian idol, they look for a contestant. Not only will you people pack yourself there in your hundreds of thousands. You now be going on TV, making fools of yourself, people's fathers, people's mothers, people's children. All of you will be on TV. We want to get talent to, we want to get talent, making a fool of yourselves. Now, let's do something serious, young people. Let's do something serious. There's nothing like Monday, there's nothing like Sunday, there's no Saturday in this matter. They want show solidarity. If they are seeing thousands of people outside anywhere they take that boy, they will know that it is not a joke to keep that boy illegally for something that, you know, to oppress him is wrong. To oppress him means to oppress a generation of people in our country that he represents. You know, say when I first day for sale, when police arrest me that time, that whole first day, now videos of Nigerians where they laugh me, and then they show me. The police people say, "No be that be we have got you." They show me videos. We'll take you down. They show me videos upon videos of different Nigerians calling for my prosecution by this one. How they will beat ya. That's what they were showing me in the cell. All night. But the next morning, when me I go stand up, say when they go court, my people were everywhere in court. Everywhere full of people. From that moment, I became even stronger. I know say things must change for me for the matter. So make this one be our chance to show that we are grateful for some things. Show the boy that you are grateful. Don't let them treat him. Show them that they can no longer treat us as they like. Make all those church power men for church. Which they get all this now overseer. Now they get Nigeria. Let me tell you the secret. See, you know if you do bad thing, make your mind dey at rest. Which I tell you, you know if you do bad things, make your mind dey at rest. These general overseers, other than the money laundering that they do through the church, because church business is nothing but money laundering business. That's why Oyedepo and go dey yab for each. Which money are you donating to me? It's not your tithe money I'm spending. And you know, get business. What business are they doing? Not be for inside Orisha Jaffor plane. They make $9 million cash for South Africa. With South African government season. He say Jonathan give him the money to go buy arms. He said Jonathan give her the money to go buy arms. Abi? Not in this Nigeria. Not in this Nigeria. Let me tell you why they are so powerful. When your politicians have done all these bad things, it weighs heavy on their heart. They cannot sleep. They cannot eat. They are not eat. They are human. They be human beings. No matter how you bad, those actions did their hearts. And we Nigerians will not get the culture of talking to therapists. And which kind of therapist Nigerian politician won't talk to? Imagine a Nigerian politician talking to a Nigerian therapist about what he has done in Nigeria. The therapist like will beat her down. The therapist will forget all training. The therapist will forget everything when you teach her for school. Patient client confidentiality, patient doctor confidentiality out the window. The therapist go beat the politician down. Imagine you as a Nigerian therapist make a Nigerian politician call onboarding himself to you. So where did they onboarding themselves? To these pastors. I tell you. Hence the power. They have all the secrets. All the secrets in their hand like this. They have all the secret of all your politics.
Now, Seun is confirming that it's actually multiple petition. He says some people who are working for YinkaTNT say YinkaTNT no send them message, but those ones who wants to see that YinkaTNT should see them as somebody working, they say put their own mouth for the case. So multiple people of God and politicians, or some politicians. Nigerian EFCC, you are only rubbishing your name the more. You are telling the world that your name is not credible by putting your mouth and handling this case. This is not a case for EFCC. Tell us, shey this guy steal somebody money? I think this is when somebody money is involved, that is your own job. Why are you involved in a case of people petitioning, cyber stalking, cyber bullying, cyber whatever you call it? That is a case for police and the courts to determine. How has it become the case of EFCC? This is the question some of us that have sense is asking, because it can be us tomorrow too. Irú èmi náà tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó lè dọ̀la kẹ́ gbé mi. Kí EFCC lóun fẹ́ gbé mi. But you have to prove that this person committed financial crime. This is what we are asking. Is it too much? Look at it now. The public, the world is looking at what you are doing as an agency that is supposed to be credible. Abi, you are fighting financial crime, corruption that the world is fighting, because millions of people have lost their life savings through financial crime. Good job. But how has this become a job of financial crime? Did VDM commit financial crime for you to meddle into this case? This is what we are asking. Why is it not the police? If police catch him now, we feel no fit talk too much. We go say we go wait till they go to court. But this is EFCC. Why is this case a case of EFCC? Yes, you have told us they are doing his bail something, so he can go. Then you charge him to court. But you have unlawfully detained this guy. You have to prove to us, show us the remand letter, show us if you invited him and he ignored the invitation, show us the bench warrants, show us when you invited him and he refused to show up. That is when we can say, yes, you have a right to arrest him and detain him. For the past 3 days you've detained this guy. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is 4 days now. The past 4 days you have detained him. We are only working now. Le mafia agbára, using your power to just do anything. No, that is not the era now. We are not in that era where somebody will just call anybody, and because they have money, they have power, you will just lock people up anyhow. No, we are not in that era. Do it the right way. EFCC, the world is watching you. The world is looking at you. Your credibility is going down. Your credibility is going down. Did this guy commit financial crime? Did you invite him and he did not show up? Show us the letter of invite. Show us a copy of that letter. That is what we are asking for. Show us the letter of that invite before you arrested him. Show us when you invited him and he did not show up, before you go and bundle him where you bundle him from. Things has to be done right. And for those of you clapping up and down, dancing that he was arrested, the food will come to your table one day. Nigerians, if you refuse to speak up, forget whether you hate somebody. Let's talk on whether something is done right or is not done right. That is what we are saying. You can call in if you want to call in. Let me pin the number to call in for you. You are just robbing your credibility. You are just messing it up the more. People with swindle people are walking around freely. If you arrest them, you let them go, and that will be the end of the story. The people who have the money will be crying up and down.
Something don't tie rapper. This matter don't tie rapper. Intimon Solano wípé the country is tensed. Intimon so wípé if you really love the country, if you have the interest of Nigeria at heart, and you tell a very dark man, you wouldn't do that. No one is above the law. To commit any crime or any offense, I think your duty bound to tell the general public, to tell people what he has done. Etirinsi wípé the country ó tin wà chaotic ní ṣe etiri pé unrest ó tin ṣẹlẹ̀. Can you see what is happening outside now? You think people will keep quiet? I've told you, the very dark man is not a regular person. He's not the kind of person you can just shut up or you can just put behind the bars without people talking. Ẹni tí ó ṣe tó gan àwọn èèyàn ò ní gbọ́. Kambelete wọ́n lè ka 1 2 3 4 5. Ẹ̀yin GTB go ẹ máa ti mọ bí tí ara yín kù sí. I don't know why. Not this time. Not now. Not now that people are going through hell. People are suffering. People are not happy. People are hungry. Things are not going the way they should be going. Now, they want to arrest a very dark man. He's seen them arrest the very dark man. Look at what is happening outside now. Everywhere you go to, everywhere you turn to on social media, very dark man, very dark man. The few people that have not spoken about him are the evil ones. Àwọn tí wọ́n ní nǹkan against ẹ̀, àwọn tó ti tú fùrọ̀ wọn, bóyá àwọn tó ti bá cream, àwọn tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa cream tó ń bleach. Even foreigners, even people from outside, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa very dark. People tí ò like ẹ̀, tí ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀, àwọn tó ní shady deals. Those are the people that government should really go after. The people that are not talking, the people not agitating for very dark man now are the people government should go after. They are the unclean ones. Àwọn tó ti tú di wọn ní, àwọn tí wọ́n rí as a threat ní, àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé of course àwọn tó tú àṣírí wọn nípa bad cream. You don't expect them to expect people like that. People won't like a very, very dark man. Those people will be like ẹ padà no ẹ crucify ẹ. Àti kan tó ṣẹnu jẹ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀ bí ẹnu òbò. ṣẹnu jẹ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀ bí ẹnu òbò gbogbo bó ṣe ń sọ tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu píìkì má wulẹ̀ sọ nǹkankan gbogbo bó ṣe ń sọ ni wọ́n attack ẹ̀ tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu fùrọ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀ dàbí ẹnu òbò tó ti bàjẹ́ ẹnu ẹ̀ dàbí ẹnu òbò tí ò ní dán ìyí kan nínú wọn tó orúkọ ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti dí mi fẹ́ dárúkọ ẹ̀ lórí platform mi ẹnu ẹ̀ dàbí ẹnu òbò tó tí ò ní dán tó rí gbẹ̀yẹ̀wò òbò tí yẹ pé ó ti shift to original position ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ṣe rí nìkan tó ń sọ gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń kick against ẹ̀ people fún yín láyè you better see ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ wà ní corridor of power if you like that country if you are really particular about people if you have people interest at heart you have to do something about this very black man because you can see what is going on outside now people are not taking it easy mo gbọ́ tẹ́nìkan sọ pé on Tuesday if you don't come out on Tuesday to protest then that means you should forget kiniko. This is not what Nigeria needs now. And if he has done something, come out, let people know what he has done. From China, if he has done something, come out and say it. Let people know what Very Dark Man has done. Very Dark Man is no more a regular person. Èyí tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu olórí burúkú bí ẹnu òbò yẹn nobody knows you we don't know you have not done anything to improve the economy you have not done anything to improve the lives of people so whatever you say against Very Dark Man is not going to fly it's not going to fly you better just give up anybody tó bá wà against at this time whatever you say will not fly any negative thing you know about Very Dark Man I heard somebody saying our corny secrecy people have secret of Very Dark Man keep your secret keep your pocket your sorrow we are not interested in any secret you have against him we are not interested in whatever secret you have all we are saying is whatever he has done we want to know what he has done and that is not the proper way to arrest anyone Benny zombie you are not living in a zoo. You cannot arrest people. You cannot cover his face like that. We don't know what he has done. No one is, at this point, at this junction, we are not interested. No one is interested in whatever he has done. Whatever secret of him that you have, we are not interested. We just know. We want to know. We demand. We want to know what he has done. There's possibility to go to shame, to warrant arrest. And even at that, must you cover his face? If the government officials like EFCC or whoever to allege ni o tó bá lọ cover ojú ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wá láti ìjọba tẹ́ bá ń cover ojú èèyàn if you are covering somebody's face to arrest him what happens àwọn kidnappers bá wá fẹ́ gbéyàn the same routine the same kinini the same tactics the same routine bó ṣe ń gbéyàn náà nìyẹn báwọn kidnappers ṣe ń gbéyàn náà nìyẹn if truly he has done something questionable must you cover his face allege ni o mi ò mọ̀ o ló bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ló ṣe nǹkan tó wà question kí lẹ́ ń láti de ojú ẹ̀ fún èyí kí lẹ́ ń láti cover ojú ẹ̀ fún èyí tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu òbò tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu òbò tí ò ní dán tó orúkọ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti dí tó you try harder. You've been trying to bring this guy down. You've gone on TVC. You've gone on channels, on TV stations. You've been try harder because it's not going to work. No one is listening to you. No one is interested in what rubbish you have to say. It's not going to work. Keep trying. For the evil ones amongst you, try harder. Nobody is interested, not at this time. Nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ní interest in Seun is to free him. If he has done anything, let me say free him. If he has done anything, let people know what he has done. Take him to court. If you have any problem with him, take him to court, charge him to court. Sọ pé kí lù dá. Ìwà tẹ́ ń wù, ìwà kí lù má dá ni. That can never happen in this country. It can never ever happen. There's no government kini to ma arrest ẹ to ma cover ojú ẹ. Nobody will touch you. Náà ni orúkọ ènìyàn tó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu òbò tó ti bàjẹ́. Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man, you have to apologize to GTV when he was talking to ṣẹnu pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀ bí ẹnu òbò tí ò ní dán. Very Dark Man. ó ṣẹnu bí ẹnu así bí ẹnu ìdérègbè. Nobody is saying he should not be arrested, but he's no more a regular person that can be picked anyhow and he just put him behind bars without people knowing what he has done. He's no more, God has promoted him. He's no more a regular person. As a matter of fact, he's a kind of person that should be going around with security now. He's no more an ordinary person. I'm not saying he shouldn't be arrested. I'm not saying he hasn't done anything against the government, against the EFCC, but people should know. They are entitled to know. You should communicate. Let people know what he has done. And why would you keep somebody that has not committed a murder? Oh, but yeah, what kind of offense? Lo ma mu yi keep èèyàn. Tẹ́ ma ní káwọn family ẹ máa rí alleged ni o, kó má fún lóúnjẹ. Àwọn èèyàn ti ṣe nǹkan tó bad jù yẹn lọ nílùú yìí náà, kí lẹ ṣe fún nílùú yẹn náà, kí lẹ ṣe fún wọn. I am not against the fact that he was arrested. That he was no, but kí ló ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ nǹkan tó ṣe. He is not it's no more. Ọlọ́run ti dédé bí wípé people would demand explanation. People are interested. They want to know what happened. Why must you cover his alleged ni o? Alleged ni o. Mi ò mọ̀ o. Kí ló deserve tẹ́ fi lù, tẹ́ fi bo ojú ẹ̀. Now, GTB sì ẹ ti kó bá wọn business GTB. Because nígbà míì tó bá rán ni níṣẹ́ ẹrú, wọ́n á fi tọmọ jẹ. Tó bá jẹ́ organization tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀wà evil ni. Tó bá tiẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ wá mú ó yẹ kẹ́ sọ pé no, we are not saying he shouldn't be arrested, but let him get out of the premises. We don't want to be part of it. But aid and abetting, ẹ ti ní nǹkan tẹ́ fara gbá, and more èmi ò mọ̀, ẹ ti ní nǹkan tẹ́ fara gbá ń sìn. No one is interested in we have very dark man secrets, we have clinical secret, they have evidences against you, we are not interested, not at this time. We just want to know what he has done. We want to know why he was arrested, why he was beaten, why his face was covered. That is what people are interested in knowing. Not we have a secret, we have clinical, we have the we have da. He is not a regular person. No, he's not. He's not just a regular person that can be picked and put behind the bar. Even people who won't share anything, they put rubbish in on so. They put ring kakatoshi. You can't be boy. Ito shenu bi enu obo yen. Enu obo ti o ni do. Get it aqua. You saw when he came online was talking about just ito shenu bi enu obo enu nkan to ti baje. Nobody is interested in whatever you have. Pocket your sorrow. Pocket your sorrow. We are not interested in whatever you have to say against him. Not at this point. Not at this point. We are not interested. Pocket whatever you have. All we are saying, we want to know what he has done to deserve the treatment he was given. Because egbe cover ojú ẹ elu allegedly. Allegedly. And I'm just using this opportunity to reach out to the authority. That country is tensed already. People are not happy. People are going through a lot already. Adding this is like insult upon injury. Because Mosolano, a lot of people look up to this guy as their spokesperson. A lot of them look up to him as the Messiah that will take them to promised land. And when you are doing this to him, to them it's a very wrong signal. It's a red flag. So anybody to bati first so you have a way of, keeping them quiet, shutting them up. Nǹkan tó máa mean nìyẹn. Ẹ rí àwọn èèyàn tó ń ṣe burúkú tó ń dẹ̀ rìn káàkiri ìgboro, and with abandoned impunity. Wọ́n wò pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. Lóòótọ́ dẹ̀ ni, why tó ṣe jẹ́ pé ẹni tó bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan, òun fẹ́ better country ló máa ní problem. Why is it like that? A lot of anomalies ló wà nílùú yẹn. Tí àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń support yìí from diaspora, they know it cannot happen in this part of the world. Nobody will treat human being like that. Even ẹni tó ṣe gan. There was something that happened here. Sometimes I think it was it last year or early this year. Ọmọ tó ẹnìkan tó ní ó ní mental kìíní tó gbé ọ̀bẹ. May that boy so rest in peace. Ọmọ 14 years ló pa. Ọmọ 14 years wà ní ọmọ tó pa. Tó ń lọ mú kìíní tó fi ń ṣàwọn èèyàn káàkiri. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó fẹ́ lọ apprehend ẹ̀, wọ́n ní ìbọn lọ́wọ́, but they couldn't shoot. because wọ́n wò pé bí wọ́n wò pé tó bá shoot ẹ̀ direct ó lè lọ ba ẹlòmíì tí ò tó tiẹ̀ rìn lọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ minimize casualty wọ́n dẹ̀ wá wait wọ́n ṣe mú wọ́n àdẹ̀gbọ́ pé wọ́n nà wọ́n lè gbé lọ sí court so two wrongs cannot make a right ẹ bá léèyàn ṣe ẹ lọ mú ẹ cover ojú ẹ lù allege ni o ẹ cover ojú ẹ lù kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ó wà at risk nìyẹn o ẹ wo bó ṣe ṣe this guy is not at risk it's not risky it's not at risk to anybody apart from the evil ones don't read the evil ones don't read as a threat and you will see them they will not talk the ones that will talk will have negative things to say about him but let me tell you for those of you with negative thoughts and negative things against VDM please pocket your sorrow at this time and see just cover your face nobody is interested in whatever negative you have to say we all have past only ti ma foko eta papa ko ti ma ṣe nǹkan lo now is a new being is a new person is a new person with the love of people masses in his heart so no one wants to think about his past we are not interested in his past we are not interested even if he was practicing 3-some 10-some selling his dick for anything we are no more interested in that we are interested in his new being we are interested in his new career we are interested in his new heart so whatever evidence you have against him is his past no one is interested pocket it it will not fly the evil ones will not love him will not like him but the good ones with good heart the ones with the good with the positive intention the ones with love of Nigeria in their heart will like him. We are not interested in whatever you want to say to us. All I want to say, for peace to reign, for the country to be at rest, VDM, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó ṣe nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ gbé lọ sí court. Kò commit kò pààyàn. Ká má sọ pé bóyá torí ẹni tó bá pààyàn náà lè keep bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kó má lè sá lọ bí ẹ kó pààyàn for the evil ones tẹ́ like VDM middle finger suck gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ like tẹ́ dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé ẹ ní cause láti má like tẹ́ mọ̀ wípé torí pé ẹ wà evil torí pé ó tú àṣírí yín middle finger